So we're going to build upon our program. So here, every time I press the space button, my program randomly outputs one of our insults. Now I'm going to make it a little bit more interactive. I'm going to use those conditions. I'm going to ask our user if they actually want to be insulted before I insult them. I don't want to get into any trouble. So I'm going to go to my sensing, and I'm going to ask them a question. Now, of course, I have to not insult them, so that block can just go down there for a bit. So I want to ask, do you want to be insulted? Do you want to be insulted? Now, whatever they type is then stored in the variable answer. So I need to use an if statement to make a decision based on whatever they type. So I'm going to grab something called my if-else statement. So if whatever I put there is true, it's going to run. So I'm going to say, if they say yes, then I'm going to insult them. If they don't say yes, well then I'm going to have to go to my looks, and I'm going to have to tell them something. Maybe I'll just think something. So I know my program selects a random insult, asks if they want to be insulted, and then I have to check. So I have to use that comparison block. I want to check if what they put as the answer actually equals yes. If they do say yes, then it's going to give them an insult. If that is not a true answer, so they answer anything except for yes, it's going to think for a second. So if I run my program, you'll see my insult, the outcome is your breath smells like cheese. And if I type yes, my character then tells me that my breath smells like cheese. If I run that program and I say no, well then he just thinks for a second.